Can cats detect changes in the electrical activity of the human brain? Cats have long been known for their keen senses and ability to detect subtle changes in their environment. From their incredible vision to their acute hearing, it is no wonder that cats are often seen as perceptive creatures. But can they detect changes in the electrical activity of the human brain? The human brain is a complex organ that generates electrical activity as a result of the communication between its billions of neurons. This electrical activity can be measured using electroencephalography, EEG, a non-invasive technique that records the electrical signals produced by the brain. EEG has been widely used in neuroscience research to study brain function and activity, and it has also been used in clinical settings to diagnose and monitor conditions such as epilepsy and sleep disorders. While cats do not possess an EEG machine to directly measure the electrical activity of the human brain, there have been anecdotal reports of cats exhibiting unusual behavior or showing an uncanny ability to detect changes in their owner's health. For example, some cat owners claim that their cats can sense when they are going to have a seizure or when they are feeling unwell. These reports have sparked curiosity and interest in whether cats can indeed detect changes in the electrical activity of the human brain. One theory that could explain this phenomenon is the cat's ability to detect subtle changes in their owner's behavior or body language. Cats are known to be highly observant animals, and they can pick up on even the slightest changes in their surroundings. It is possible that they are able to detect changes in their owner's behavior that could indicate an impending seizure or health issue. However, this theory does not directly address the question of whether cats can detect changes in the electrical activity of the human brain. Another theory suggests that cats may be able to detect changes in the electromagnetic fields produced by the human body, including the brain. The human body generates a weak electromagnetic field as a result of the electrical activity of its cells. It is possible that cats, with their highly sensitive whiskers and specialized sensory organs, are able to detect these electromagnetic fields and respond to them. This would explain their ability to detect changes in their owner's health or predict seizures. While these theories are intriguing, there is limited scientific evidence to support the idea that cats can detect changes in the electrical activity of the human brain. The anecdotal reports and personal experiences of cat owners are interesting, but they are not conclusive evidence. More research is needed to better understand the capabilities of cats and their perception of the human brain. In recent years, there has been an increasing interest in studying the abilities of animals to detect changes in human health. Dogs, for example, have been trained to detect certain types of cancers and even predict seizures in people with epilepsy. These abilities are thought to be related to dogs' extraordinary sense of smell and their ability to detect chemical changes in the body. Perhaps cats have similar abilities, albeit through different sensory mechanisms. In conclusion, it remains unclear whether cats can detect changes in the electrical activity of the human brain. While there are anecdotal reports and personal experiences suggesting that cats may have this ability, more scientific research is needed to establish a definitive answer. Cats are undoubtedly fascinating creatures with keen senses, but their perception of the human brain is still a subject of exploration and speculation.